Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today's video is how to log on to Conjuguemos. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and log on to the site, conjuguemos.com. Once you get to the site, you're going to click log in. Now here it's taken me already to this screen. However, on your end, it may ask you username and password. You type in your username and then your password, and then from there on, you will make sure to click on Use Beta Conjuguemos. You click there, and then it prompts you, and it takes you to a screen. Now, I'm going to view it as a student, and I'm just going to click on one of my classes. You want to make sure you scroll all the way down. Why? Because you have several activities that your teacher may have assigned. So for this one, your teacher assigned VC vocabulary cards, Realidades 1A. You click there, and there it's going to take you to choose activity. And you want to make sure that you click on the one that says graded practice, because this one will show us your progress, and it actually show me how many minutes you've logged on, and then of course we can see if you're going up or down. And so you click there. Games are great, but you want to do that on your spare time. So click on grades. Once you click on grades, you see a timer to the right. Click on that timer. You're going to type in the minutes your teacher has assigned. I'm only going to do, let me see if it lets me, I'm not going to do 30. I'm going to do 1 minute. And then I'm going to click save the settings. And then from that point on, you're going to click on start. You want to make sure you look at your timer because it's recording your score. And then, of course, you want to make sure that you get as many words in. So to play the guitar would be tocar la guitarra. And then it tells you ver la tele. And then see. Let's see, and remember, I'm only doing just a couple because it's a video, and so you want to make sure, like on your end, your timer will be much different than what you're seeing here. I don't like at all. No me gusta nada. I do too. And it's going to stop me. Okay, so it says all done. It gives you record your score, 100, average score. Now you want to make sure, let's assume I didn't do well on this one. You still want to record your score because I will take the highest score. So you click there, and then of course you can exit or new practice. Most importantly, I want you to record your score at all times. If you are on a 5-minute timer, you want to make sure you get between 15 and 20 words. You don't want to do 4 or 5, so you want to get between 15 to 20 words at a 5-minute timer. So I hope you liked today's video, guys. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Please make sure to comment. Please make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Adios!